launched a new budget smartphone in India known as the Poco M7 Plus 5G. It's the latest M series phone and succeeds the M6 Plus, which debuted in August 2024. It has a massive 7000 mAh silicon carbon battery with support for 33-watt fast charging and 18-watt reverse charging. It claims to be the thinnest handset with 7000 mAh battery with just 8.4 thickness. It features a 6.9-inch Full HD plus LCD display that refreshes at 144 Hz. It has 550 nits of peak brightness protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The display features a punch-hole cutout for the 8 megapixel camera. It features a Snapdragon 6S Gen 3 SoC paired with 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB storage. It has microSD card slot for expansion. It has a 50 megapixel primary camera and secondary rubbish camera. You get a couple of AI features like AI dynamic sort, AI erase and AI sky replacement. It runs Android 15 based HyperOS and gets 2 years of OS updates with 4 years of security patches. It also offers Google Gemini on the phone. This IP64 rated side-mounted fingerprint scanner IR blaster and weighs 217 grams. It's available in India for purchase in aqua blue, carbon black, and chrome silver colors. Prices start at 13,999 for the 6 128 GB version, and for the 8 128 GB version, it is 15,000 Indian rupees. It goes on sale on August 19th.